there are a lot of. I'm trying to read your comments while I do this. Uh, Thank you. There's Tushar. Thank you. I'm glad you like November Story. It means a lot that you guys are watching, and I hope in these difficult times, the content that's being pumped is, of some entertainment to you and helping you battle your boredom while you're at home. I know a lot of people like, you know, sitting at home has taken a toll on a lot of people's mental health because it is very difficult to just sit at home and wait for things to get okay. But the one thing that we all can do is help in whatever way that we can, and as much as possible stay at home and not step out unless it's absolutely necessary. Um, Pranesh Kotian says, you watched November Story just for me. Thank you so much. Aditi is asking my current location. I am in Mumbai. I am at my home with my family, with my mom and dad. Seeing a lot of. Hello, ma'am. What's your next movie? Sakshit. Sakshit, I was working on 3 projects, but right now everything is at a standstill. Out of which 2 are features in Telugu. One is called City Mar, one is called F3, and I'm working on 2 new projects which haven't been officially announced. So hopefully once that gets announced, you guys will know. Okay, this is going really fast, so I'm going to scroll down a bit. Geeta Vinita 19. Geeta, you are asking me to help people. I am someone who's generally not, whatever I do or whatever I want to do, I am not someone who likes to post about it. But yes, I understand what I can do at this point is create awareness about what the situation is outside, which I am doing. And in terms of help, I think it's very personal, and these are things that one must do, and it's not necessary that you need to showcase everything that you do. As much as we are in the times of social media and we have the ability to do that, I feel like these things are extremely personal. When you want to help someone and you want to do something for people, you just do that. You don't actually sit and showcase it or put it out there. But I do believe in trying to spread awareness, because that is something that can invoke a lot of emotion and a lot of different people who can, in their own capacity, help people out there who really need the help. My favorite language, ILU_14. I don't have a favorite language. Of course, I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, तो मैं हिंदी बात करती हूँ. मैंने तमिल तेलुगु की बहुत सारी पिक्चरें की हैं, तो मैं तमिल तेलुगु में भी बात कर सकती हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश में बात कर सकती हूँ. या मुझे आई थिंक हमारे हिंदुस्तान में इतनी भाषाएं हैं जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं. और मुझे Sindhi, I should not forget. I hope my mom's not watching this live, because I inevitably, I think the language I don't know properly is my mother tongue, which is kind of bad, but I think my mom deals with that. Arun, billionaire, I love you. I love you too, Arun. Thank you all. I cannot explain to you how encouraging this is for me to see you guys, constantly just giving me so much love. It's just something that makes me motivated and makes me want to do more work. And I can't help but repeat myself when I say that it's literally just the messages that I got on Twitter or the messages that I got on Instagram, which were so encouraging around November Story, and I really wanted to come out and thank people for that. And it's a story that I've really been very, very closely connected to from the beginning, from the inception of the show. And yeah, I'm really happy that it's finally out there, and especially in a time where people can use the content, because many of us are just um, stuck at home, some are isolating at home. So this content should help you guys um, to keep you entertained. Okay, let's see. Hi, there's Kiran, who is my lovely my fitness trainer from Hyderabad, who is an inspiring lady herself. She has watched November Story and liked it. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you. I'm glad you've liked the show. Um, Chantini Meherali. Chantini Meherali. Your next movie in Tamil. I haven't actually taken up anything in Tamil yet, but I have some exciting announcements coming up, which I will make when the time is right. For now, I will just be being safe at my home. I really think if you have the privilege of staying at home, and if you can work from home, please do it. This is the time. Health is above everything. Being safe is the most important thing. um, I know it's very difficult for people when there is an economical crisis going on, and you have to also stay safe. It's a really difficult thing. It's a difficult position that a lot of people are in right now, with the resources from the medical resources being so little out there. It's just a situation that nobody's ever seen before. So there's no choice but to first stay safe, because if you are safe and if you're healthy and if you're alive, is when you can do things and find a way out. So எனக்கு தெரியும் நிறைய தமிழ் ஃபேன்ஸ் இருப்பாங்க, நீங்கள் பார்க்குறீங்க தெரியும் எனக்கு. அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். நீங்கள் எனக்கு கொடுத்த அன்பு எப்போவுமே எனக்கு ஒரு ரொம்ப என்கரேஜிங்கான ஃபேக்டராக இருக்கும். அண்ட் நான் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச மாதிரி கதைகள் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். ஒரு ஆக்டராக நீங்கள் என்னை ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட் பண்ணீங்க, and I am here today only because of you. Sati Vikita, how are you? I am doing okay. I am doing good. I'm really grateful. I think that is something this time has really taught me. अगर आज मैं अपने घर पे बैठ के शांति से अपने मॉम एंड डैड के साथ वक्त बिता पा रही हूँ, आई फील इससे बड़ी बात मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि इस वक्त को मैं सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कभी कभी टीवी देखती हूँ, कभी कभी काफ़ी सारे शोज़ जो आते हैं वो देखती हूँ टीवी पे. नहीं तो और मैं ज़्यादा बुक्स पढ़ नहीं पाती. मुझे पढ़ने की उतनी आदत नहीं है, पर मैं इस वक्त को इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ ताकि इस वक्त में मैं ज़्यादा पढ़ सकूँ, पढ़ने की आदत डाल सकूँ. बिकॉज मुझे एक्चुअली पढ़ने की उतनी, मेरा अटेंशन स्पैन उतना नहीं है कि मैं घंटों लगातार बैठ के पढ़ सकूँ. बट इस वक्त में जब मैं घर पे हूँ, मैं इस वक्त को सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रही हूँ ताकि मैं ये आदत को कंटिन्यू कर सकूँ और बढ़ा सकूँ. हाय सत्यपति, नम्रता, हेलो. Ponu, I love you, ma'am. I love you too. Tarpani Queen is asking, how is your health? I'm doing great. I am feeling good. Another thing that I think मैंने शायद इसके बारे में बात नहीं की है, और मैं ये डेफिनेटली कहना चाहूँगी कि जब भी आपको वैक्सीन लेने का चांस मिले, प्लीज़ वैक्सीन लीजिए. बिकॉज़ इस वक्त में यही एक चीज़ है जो हमें हमारा बचाव कर सकता है. बिकॉज़ एक बार वंस यू गेट कोरोना, इट्स मच मोर डिफ़िकल्ट. तो उससे प्रिवेंट करने के लिए वैक्सीन हम सबको लेना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. एंड आई होप कि जब आपका वक्त है और आप जब वैक्सीन ले सकें, आप उसे लें और डरे नहीं, बिकॉज बाहर बहुत सी अफवाहें हैं जो लोग फैलाते हैं. बट हम इतने ही यूनिक एक सिचुएशन में हैं कि हमारे लिए फ़िलहाल वैक्सीन इज़ द ओनली वे टू गो. तो उसे लीजिए, डरिए मत, और गो फॉर द वैक्सीन. टेक इट, दैट्स द ओनली वे टू एंश्योर दैट आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच सकें. मनोज, हाय मनोज 54844775. मनोज, गुरतुंदा सीता कालम की शूटिंग चल रही थी लॉकडाउन के पहले, पर हम शूटिंग के बीच में हैं. ఇంకా ఆ షూటింగ్ అవ్వలేదు. సో ఆ షూటింగ్ గుర్తున్న శీతాకాలం రెడీ అయిన వెంటనే కరెక్ట్ టైంకి వాళ్ళు రిలీజ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తారు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు అందరూ అంతా ఆపేశారు. సో బయట అంతా నార్మల్ అయ్యాక మేము మళ్ళీ సెట్కి వెళ్తాం. సెట్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత షూట్ ఫినిష్ అయ్యేప్పుడే మేము రిలీజ్ చేస్తాం. Vishwa G304, November Story, excellent sister. Thank you so much, Vishwa. I'm glad you liked November Story. These responses are the thing that really, really makes me want to do better work for you guys. So, Arvind Teja, any upcoming web series? Yes, I have some very exciting announcement, hopefully, which I can make soon. Can't talk about it right now, but whenever the time is right, I will speak about it. Dhruvesh Singh, hello, please shout out my name, please. Dhruvesh, very, very big hello. Hope you're doing well. Cesar Fernandez from London, hello, hi, hope everything is well in London, hope you guys are safe. Gopi 1016, I love you. DJ Surya 27, hi ma'am, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன், வீட்டில் இருக்கேன், taking some time out, being with myself, being with my family. I just want all you guys to know that now that I've done this one live, I think I need to make this promise to you so that I actually come back and be more active on Insta and keep you guys updated about what's happening. I really wasn't able to do it because of the kind of situation that is there outside. I just didn't have the heart to do it. But today I feel like it's time I come back and do some posts which you guys like, which something that you will enjoy, some interaction where I get to talk to you guys, know what you guys are doing, and keep you guys in the loop of what's going on with me and my life. Thank you all for logging in today and being a part of this live. I will be signing out right now, but I promise to do this more often. Lots of love to all of you. Thank you all.